Welcome to Business Law. My name is Christina Scopper, and I am the lead instructor for the Business Law section of the BU Paralegal Certificate Program. There are a variety of subjects that we will cover in the Business Law module. Everything from choice of business entity to an overview of intellectual property. The learning objectives in the Business Law module are to 1. Provide students with an introduction to the substantive area of corporate law and the practical skills necessary to serve as a corporate paralegal. 2. Understand the legal formation and functioning of various business entities, including business corporations, partnerships, and limited liability companies. 3. Receive a comprehensive introduction to corporate finance and securities regulation. 4. Learn an overview of Article 9 of the Uniform Commercial Code and the law of secure transactions. 5. Introduce practical tasks related to corporate housekeeping, due diligence, reviews, and closings. And lastly, 6. Understand the basics of intellectual property concepts such as trade secrets, copyrights, trademarks, and patents. Through in-class assignments and homework, students will gain the requisite legal knowledge and practical skills necessary to assist attorneys with various business transactions. We will cover the different types of business entities that one may establish to legally form a business. These include sole proprietorships, partnerships, including general, limited partnerships, and limited liability partnerships, limited liability companies, and corporations. You will learn about the differences between these entities, including information about their legal formation, the differences in liability of the owners, and taxation of the entity. You will learn about the overall importance of understanding and identifying the different business entities in any jurisdiction in which you may practice as a paralegal. Our next topic goes into depth about corporations, including their structure, the role of shareholders, directors, and officers, and their formation in detail. You will learn how to form a corporation, including the importance of selecting a name for the entity, learn about the authorized capital, the total number of shares a corporation may issue to investors, and the fiduciary duties of directors and officers. Next, we cover corporate finance and securities regulation. We will discuss the role of the Securities and Exchange Commission, also known as the SEC. We will learn about the two main federal security laws, the Securities Act of 1933 and the Securities Exchange Act of 1934, and what they require from businesses seeking to raise capital from investors. We will also discuss recent security laws and how they have changed how businesses raise money from investors, including crowdfunding, which is similar to Kickstarter, where you get a piece of the action. Although this course is not Shark Tank, you will learn why investors invest and how they make money. Lastly, we provide a general overview of intellectual property law. We will learn the differences between copyrights, patents, trademarks, and trade secrets, which are legal ways that a business protects its intellectual property. We will also discuss non-disclosure agreements, works made for hire, and assignment of invention agreements in the context of a business protecting its intellectual property. Business is an exciting topic. It is one that you will walk away with learning a great deal about many things in the business world. It is an invaluable experience, whether you become a business law paralegal or even an entrepreneur who starts your own business. Students who have taken the BU Paralegal program come away with a greater understanding of business law. Most students go into the program without any concrete knowledge. Personally, I enjoy teaching and allowing students to have that light bulb moment where they learn a subject they didn't know very much about.